Hi, sorry for the mess. I'm just gonna quickly show you how to connect the HDMI video capture with your Nintendo Switch and your laptop or computer. This set comes with the device itself, the video capture device, a USB to USB cable, and also a USB and a Type B connector, I think. Anyways, you have to connect the Type B connector to this side and the other end to the computer. The USB to the USB port on your computer. And finally, you have to connect your the HDMI cable to the left side of this device. As you can see, I already marked it here as game because I don't want it to confuse with the TV output, because the TV output is for you to connect a TV in case if you want to watch while you record it. This is the next video. I'm gonna show you how to put the video, to record your gameplay on Nintendo Switch on your computer. Okay, once you switch on OBS, I'm using 26.1.1. So to start, go to the scene area, press plus. You can rename this to Nintendo or whatever, and then press OK. Next, you go to the source area, press plus, and select video capture device. You can rename this too. And after that, as you can see, it will pop up this menu. All you need to do is press the device bar and select USB video. As you can see now, here's a video of my Nintendo Switch. And then you can press OK. Now make sure your Nintendo Switch is connected and switch on the dock, Nintendo Switch dock. Make sure it's switched on. Okay, next is adjusting the size of the canvas. Adjust the size of the screen to the canvas. And after that, do take note, there's no sound in this video yet. You have to add it right now. So on the source area, you have to press plus and then select audio input capture. And just like before, just press OK. If you want to change it, you can change it. And after that, just leave it everything as it is and then press OK. Voila, you're ready to go. Lastly, you won't be able to hear sound on your laptop. I'm not sure, maybe it's just me or something I'm missing, but I can actually hear it once I start recording or streaming. So to show you, if you move your controller like this, you can actually see this area. It's moving, which shows that there is sound available once you start recording or streaming. So don't worry, there's sound in there. That's it from me, and thank you.